We're going G. We're going G, pare. We're almost done. We're not almost done actually. Mag-hiking lang. So, medyo...
Baka naman gusto nyo kasama. Outfit check. Tiga. Oh, nag-switch na dyan. Switch na. Pakang ba't dalawa? Switch.
Putangin na pre. We're going G. We're going G, pare. We're almost done. We're not almost done actually. Mag-hiking.
Tira natin. Baka gusto sumama.
Baba ako sa kabila. Oh. Ay, so gawin. Ay, umaga, di ka pigilan.
Si Nea, gumagalaw siya kagabi. Tapos pagkagalaw niya, nararamdaman ko yung sahig.
Parang may aso. I am the vloggerist. Ano? Sige, ano?
Sorry na.
Guys! Uy! Ganyan naman maglinis, sir! Ano yan, Aldrich?
Daming daming dead.
Daming dead? Aldrich, anong ginagawa mo?
Naghugas ng pet.
Bakit may inugasan yung pet mo ng ganito? Public pa. Grabe ka naman, sir Ski. Ha?
I'm rich like that.
Grabe.
I'm rich like that.
Are you ready, bro? Are you ready?
Hi, shoot.
Ayun na. Outfit check.
Tabi.
Arkies, okay? Aha.
Ikaw. London.
London. Baba, ano yung baba?
Sa taas. Meryl.
Meryl?
Yes, sir.
Shit. Outfit check, Gino. Outfit check.
Hello.
Outfit check, sabi ko.
Ano?
Hey guys, are you guys ready? My God. Using bug spray. Ito nga, boy. John, ready ka na, John? Are you ready? Ready ka na? Say hi muna to the vlog.
What's up?
Aldrich, ano na?
Pogi
Ito
pa
na.
rin.
Pogi pa rin. Ay, simula pa lang kami mag-hike. Mukhang okay pa lang naman. We're still on the road. Guys, kung hindi nyo ako makita, subscribe na lang kayo sa akin. At least meron akong subscribers.
Pwede na!
Kaya...
Mamatay man ako at least may subscriber.
Alam nyo yung huli kong wheel is nasa ano ko. Nasa bundok ako, guys.
Paano masabi?
Nauna na yung isa dun, oh. Grabe.
Doon tayo nagpagsi dyan.
Grabe, guys. Grabe talaga to, guys. Halos wala man dumadaan. So, check.
5 minutes later.
So, guys, we're on our way sa hike, pataas. Best of wishes to us. Madi? Sup? Sama, okay ka na sa likod? Sigurado ka? Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Vlog
How long
takeover.
has it been?
It's been 6 hours, you know.
Right.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Wow.
Wala pa yung peak, you know. And you know si Andre, he's just taking a little break. We're waiting for him. And John's right there too. Say hi, John. Hey, isa mo ng A dyan. Isa mo ng A.
Grabe, guys. Kimboksok nyo, pagod na. Woo! Sibal!
Gago.
Grabe!
Sige po, pero pogi pa rin.
Pogi pa rin, guys. Pogi pa rin.
Sabihin niya pag kailangan niya ng break Ay, sabihin niya pag kailangan niya ng break
Apparently, we still have like 10 minutes pa lang.
No, not even. Like 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Not even exactly. It's like a 4-hour hike.
1 mile pahinga. 1 mile.
1 mile pahinga, okay.
1 mile pahinga, 2 miles pahinga.
Okay. See you guys later after a mile.
Gago mas tip na mamaya pre. Trust me, mas tip na mamaya.
Legit?
Eh, paano kung bababa? Gago, slide ka lang.
Welcome to my vlog. Andun sila ngayon. Currently taking a break. And we're not even a mile in. You know, we're here at Miss Mountain. Hi shit. Hey, what's up guys? 2 miles in. 2 miles in. We are currently in Miss Mountain. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is that 4-leaf clover? No, it's not. 4-leaf clover. Kasi hindi naman clover. For real though! And then interview. We're half mile in. How are you feeling?
Pretty good. We're missing someone though. I don't know.
Half mile in.
We have a casualty.
How are you feeling?
We have one casualty. I feel bad.
How are you feeling?
Missing Gino Delphine.
This is me after 5 months of hiking.
Hi guys.
Welcome to mile 2. How are you feeling?
How are you feeling guys? Nawawalan tayo ng isa.
Missing one.
Missing one actually.
Mile 2 done.
Mile 2 done, yes. Wala pa. Wow, wala ka man lang i-name.
And today guys, we are at mile 3.
Mile 3 what? Mile 3 what? Mile 3 what? Okay.
2,000 years later.
4 miles in. 4 miles in. Dun sila. Ayun naman kayo dyan guys.
5 minutes later.
So guys, we're currently taking a break right now. We're 1.1 miles close to the peak of this trail, but you know.
Ang una isipin, putik.
5 miles guys. We are on top of the mountain. Guys, nakikita nyo yung bundok sa likod ko? Ayun yung gagawin namin. Mamaya, teka.
1 eternity later.
A quick update on the Misty Mountain. Update. We're 5 miles in.
5 miles.
Saan mo ng A dyan?
Ha?
Saan mo ng A dyan? A. So what's up guys? Vlog takeover. Finally nakarating na sa taas. Hindi parating?
Ligo na kami pare.
So guys, we're down ni John.
Kaya abot kami somehow.
We got here. Nasa labas na kami. Nasa road na kami guys. So
Hindi na namin, but we're back safely. Pero hindi namin sila naabutan ng 12:30, so
yeah.
unlucky for that.
Nah bro, nah. Ain't no way. Guys, putang na yung mga yun oh. Nahuli na yung mga yon. Kita nyo ba yung mga yan? Mga OP shit mga yan. Mga walang magawa sa buhay yung mga yan guys. Mga walang magawa sa buhay yung mga yan. Alam mo ba guys? Halos mamatay kami sa taas. Dahil sa tatlong yan. Hindi man lang kami di joke lang. Pero kudos to them guys. Kudos to those people. Those people right there.